Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make deep red sauce pasta. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for a truly flavorful sauce. You'll need about 28 ounces of high-quality crushed tomatoes, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 small carrot. Don't forget fresh basil and oregano, along with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and a 1/4 cup of dry red wine. These components are the foundation for a rich, robust sauce. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your finely diced onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 small grated carrot. Sauté these aromatics gently for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are soft and translucent. Then, pour in a 1/4 cup of dry red wine, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pot. Let it simmer for about 2 minutes until the alcohol cooks off. The key to a deep red sauce is a slow, patient simmer. Pour in your 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, adding a small pinch of sugar to balance their acidity. Stir in a handful of fresh basil leaves and a teaspoon of dried oregano. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover and let it cook for at least 1 hour, or even 2, stirring every 15 minutes. This long simmer allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, let's bring it all together. Taste your sauce and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. For an extra touch of richness and a beautiful sheen, stir in about 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter just before serving. Cook your favorite pasta, like spaghetti or rigatoni, until it's perfectly al dente. Drain it, then toss the hot pasta directly into the warm sauce. Garnish with fresh basil and grated Parmesan cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.